Okay, just a quick recap to remind you that the black sun from down below is the reason of the cosmic energy, and it's the creation of the sun and moon. It's always rotating and it's always oscillating back and forth in the analemma as it's spinning around, giving us the day and night at all times. Okay, remember? Okay, so under pressure, we have the noble gases in this experiment, like helium, xenon, and all those gases. And then we have a Tesla coil to mimic the sun and to simulate the sun's movement with an electromagnetic field that it stimulates out. Okay, you're going to see that all of the gases get ionized as the closer they get to the pilot source of the electromagnetic field of the sun. And it's because that they interact with the sun in the atmosphere that allows them to become phosphorescent. And that's what gives them their distinct color. Helium, hydrogen, neon, xenon, all the gases, you see them here? There's helium, neon, argon, krypton, and xenon. And they got nitrogen gas. These are all the gases that we see in the sky. This gives them their distinct color. These gases happen in the ionospheric levels, and every gas has its own layer. At the top, you have the lighter gases, and you move down into the heavier gases at the bottom. Every single day, this phenomena happens in the ionosphere, and this is the colors that we see in the sky. It's what gives it the color. In a little bit here, we're going to see a video, and we're going to watch as the sun moves. You see these colors. Okay, because the sun, it works like a moving pilot source of electromagnetic field and electromagnetic energy. And it's moving in a circle inside the dome, and it's charging the radius. It gives us the seasons as it moves through the analemma. When the sun is moving, it ionizes all of the molecules in these gases, and it lets this reaction take place in the molecular level of the atmosphere, and it creates an umbrella of daylight called plasma. Now, in the flat earth model, you have to understand that gravity does not exist. You have to understand gravitational retardation. You need to understand electromagnetism. You have to understand convergent and divergent energy forces. You have to understand the toroidal hyperbola and the plane of inertia. You have to understand syncretism. You need to understand hydrostatics and electrostatics and all the dynamics of the mechanisms of buoyancy and density and the fluidity of the atmosphere and the medium in which it exists in and all of the foundations around it. We see all of these colors in the sky because the sun is interacting with the gases in the atmosphere and the ionosphere. This is what we see because of it, of the interaction, the chemical reaction from the sun reacting with it. That's what we see, these colors.